Grammar. The present progressive tense. Part 2. Listen to the following short conversation and pay attention to the word order in WH questions. What are you doing? I'm washing my car. The present progressive tense. WH questions. Begin your WH question with a question word such as what, where, when, who, why, how, what time, etc. Then use the same word order as in yes-no questions. Examples. What are you doing at the moment? I'm trying to fix my computer. It's not working properly. Why is your friend leaving the party so early? Because he's not feeling well. Pay attention to the word order in WH questions. We begin the question with a question word, followed by verb be, followed by subject, followed by the main verb. Non-action verbs. Listen to the following short conversations and pay attention to the non-action verbs. This sauce tastes too hot. I like hamburgers. I'm hungry. I want some ice cream. Non-action verbs. Some verbs are not used in the present progressive tense, even when they describe a situation that is happening right now. These verbs are called non-action verbs. These verbs describe a situation that exists, not an action in progress. Some common non-action verbs: be, like, love, hate, know, need, believe, forget, want, remember, hear, see, smell, taste, feel, own, belong, prefer, coast, understand, seem, sound, notice, appear, contain, have when it means own, think when it means believe. Examples. I want a pen. It's wrong to say I am wanting a dictionary. This sentence is incorrect. John knows the answer. It's wrong to say John is knowing the answer. This sentence is incorrect. This watch belongs to me. It's wrong to say this watch is belonging to me. This sentence is incorrect. The soup tastes delicious. It's wrong to say the soup is tasting delicious. This sentence is incorrect. How much does this coat cost? It's wrong to say how much is the coat costing. This sentence is incorrect. They don't remember you now. It's wrong to say they aren't remembering you now. This sentence is incorrect. Think and have. When think means believe, it is a non-action verb, but when think expresses a mental activity, it can be used in the progressive. Example. You don't look well. I think you should see a doctor. The verb think in this example expresses a mental state, so it is a non-action verb. it cannot be used in the progressive. I'm thinking of selling my car. The verb thinking here expresses a mental activity that describes what is going in my mind. So in this example, the verb think can be used in the progressive. When have means own, it is a non-action verb, but when have doesn't express possession, it can be used in the progressive. Example: I have an iPad. This sentence means that the iPad belongs to me. So in this case, the verb have is a non-action verb. I'm having a nice time. The verb have here means spend, so it can be used in the progressive.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.